recording this. Okay, so here we go. We got 5 minutes left. Oh my God. We're snagging a chord melody for Cielito, Lindo. We're doing the la, 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 or something like that in the neighborhood. So we start by humming it, establishing our chords. C, la, la, F, G7, C, they're grounding us. So we discovered that the first notes when we're playing a C chord are E, D, C, while we're playing a C. So it's 2, 3, 4, wah, la, la. And we can strum across all 4 strings because that's a C chord. Yay! Let's try it. 2, 3, 4, la, la, la. Make an F. We discovered that note is an A. Now I'm going to fudge a little bit. I'm going to do this G form up here. We have a G7. So the G form, one of my favorites, let me tell you what it is, 0, 7, 7, 5. The note, that's the highest pitch, is a D. Da, 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 and see, this is how I'm fudging the melody. La, 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 la. Now I'm going to this little G form. Ja, da, da. Really fudging.
Make a video.
La, la. I am Dorothy. La, la. Okay, we're ending this solo with the notes. La, la. Okay. What are the notes? La.
D, D, C, C, E, C.
Well, you're going, yeah. Well, I'm hearing the E, C. So let me show you.
D.
2, 3, 4. La, 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 la. 2, 3, 4. Da, da, da. That's over the G7 form. We're just doing a G instead of a G7. The world will keep spinning, okay? Na, da, da. And then the last 2 notes are E, C, and it's over a C chord, so I can strum all 4 strings. La, la. All right, let's try it really slowly. 2, 3, 4. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. De la Sierra Morena, Cielito. Let's see. Okay, real quick. We're just going to do it with the drum. Okay, just going at 95. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. De la Sierra Morena, Cielito, Lindo, and voila! You have a little chord melody, and that we can play it 2 times in this particular arrangement. So there you go. Any questions?